Alright, so this is how I actually made no money trading EU last night. It was a super A+ setup. Loved it. We just immediately ran it up to our take profit 2. So I ended up only taking 0.2% profit. I'll give you the reason why I actually wasn't able to close out the full trade. But once our TP1 was hit, I ended up closing out 0.2% of the position. So going into this session, I was bullish. We had a 4-hour zone, 4-hour fair value gap that I was looking to trade from. More of a discounted area. Now going into the session, I was waiting for some accumulation, manipulation, then distribution, which it's super clear that we got that. So over here is our accumulation. So from 5 p.m. onwards, I was waiting for this 4-hour candle to manipulate some lows. We ended up manipulating lows into our higher time frame area. And then we had a few different entries we could have actually taken. I took a low risk entry because I had somewhere to go at 7 p.m. and I wasn't actually able to watch my charts and sort of manage the trade. So I made sure I was getting myself into a higher probable setup, which is also another reason why I wasn't able to close out for a 2R. So starting from the start, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. There was a few entries we could have entered off of this candle here, which would have lined up with this 1 minute entry here. So I was also waiting for this SMT to form. That's why I didn't take this early entry. So we got SMT on GU. SMT at these lows, news came out, we failed to make a lower low. EU, we made a lower low. EU was the lagging pair, which is always the pair that I'm sort of looking for to trade. Now, we just had better targets with EU as well. We were sort of chopping it up with GU. We weren't really displacing anywhere. Price action was more clear with EU, and it was just way more clear, obviously. So I market entered off of this change in state of delivery candle plus 5 minute IFG. And yeah, little to no drawdown at all. So I stepped away from the charts around 6:55, so around here. I had a meeting to go to, so I wasn't actually able to watch the charts. So I stepped away. I moved stops to break even. After this candle here. We closed above my take profit 1. Closed above my take profit 1. We had 20% taken off and stops right break even. So it was essentially a risk-free trade. I had some alerts actually set for the rest of my levels. Throughout my meeting, I felt my phone get notifications, obviously telling me that we were running it up. So yeah, unfortunately, as soon as I got out of the meeting at 7:30 or 7:40, we were already at break even. So I just sort of let the trade do its thing. Wasn't going to get emotional and just close out. We've taken a trade every day this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So honestly, I was just happy to close out for a small win. It's whatever, but yeah, super clear A+ setup, swept liquidity, change the state of delivery, 5 minute IFG, just super bullish structure. And yeah, I actually sent it into the Discord as well, my entry. So yeah,